The following match is a boiler room match, and it is for the North American Championship. And the only way to win is to escape up those stairs right there. Introducing first. Introducing first. Originally from the Grand Mansion, but he parted his own ways. Weighing at 177 pounds, he is the North American Champion, MoJo.
You ready for this, Jimmy? You ready for this, Jimmy?
Oh yeah. Oh, I'm ready for this. And the challenger from the Grand Mansion weighing in at 152 pounds. He is the leader of the Grants, Beavis Grant. And we are underway, ladies and gentlemen. From a very anticipated match from the start, these two used to be best friends. Oh my god, these two did everything together. Oh my god. These two did everything together. MoJo's already trying to escape. Oh my god, Beavis is wrapping around. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. Oh, these two want to kill each other already. 3 seconds into the match. Oh, with the broom. Oh my god, MoJo. These two have had some of the biggest storylines, some of the biggest moments, some of the biggest matches in HCW history.
Where did you go?
And Beavis disappeared. I don't even know where you went.
We're only getting started!
Yeah, we're 3 seconds in the video.
That was nothing!
3 minutes, I'm sorry.
That was nothing.
Oh my god. This has been a very interesting start. Oh, that is Beavis' cane.
Beavis! Where you at, my boy?
Oh. Oh. Oh! Oh, that hit me in the head. Oh my god, to the back of MoJo. Oh! That hit his head. Oh! Beavis now in control. Beavis now controls the tempo of this match. Oh! Right off the knee of MoJo. Oh my god. Oh, right off the head again. Oh, bro. Oh my. Oh my God. Beavis has had enough. Ever since MoJo left the Grants, he's been trying to torture them and split them up and just... Oh my God. Just everything in past videos these two have done. These two crashed New Year's parties. These two have done everything together. They came up on the main roster together. They did everything.
Come on.
Now they just want to kill each other. Oh my God. And with MoJo's North American Championship on the line. Oh no. Oh my God. Oh! Oh my God. That thing's been taking a beating. Almost as bad as Beavis and MoJo have been taking from each other. Oh my God. Just throw that right on the... Oh. Oh! Oh my God, with the crossbody and MoJo falls in between the couches. MoJo is stuck. This is Beavis' perfect opportunity to leave right now. But I don't think Beavis wants to leave right now. I think both of them want to put... Oh, that's a knife. That is a knife.
What on this? I'll die.
Oh my God. Oh my God, right off the injured knee already of MoJo. Oh. Oh my God, that's his foot.
No!
Oh no, Concerto! The Concerto! Oh my God, that... Beavis just concertoed the shit out of Oh my... What's he doing with that strap? Oh! Oh my God. Using the belt as a whip. Oh my God. Oh my. You gotta be kidding me. Is MoJo even gonna be able to walk up those steps right there? And retain his North American Championship. Oh. 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 Oh my. Oh my. He's dead. MoJo's knocked out. Like, MoJo is knocked the fuck out. Oh my God.
He's sleeping.
Oh my God. Oh, is he leaving? Beavis leaving. Oh, no. He doesn't want to leave yet? Hasn't he done enough? Beavis has done more than enough. Oh my... Oh.
Come on.
Oh my God, the obey. Oh my God. Beavis with the obey to MoJo. That is it. That's it. That is it. That's it. Did Beavis want to end this yet? What's he? What? Is this gonna work? I mean, he tried. He tried. He tried. That's all that matters. Oh. Where did he go? Beavis? Where'd he go? Bro. Oh my. MoJo's escaping. Oh my god, holy shit. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Oh my, are you kidding me? Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh! Right off his head. He did. Oh. Ah! Ah! Oh my. MoJo just whipped the shit out of Beavis' head. That right D. Oh. MoJo's just thinking. He had to have been thinking of all the memories he just had with Beavis out there. Oh my god! If that never hit that pole, that would have. Oh my god! That would have hurt. That would have hurt.
Oh, Beavis, you look hurt.
And he fell right on that too. Now I guess it's MoJo's turn to let out everything that it's been building up to.
Remember this?
Oh my god. Oh my god, I do remember that. Oh, concerto right to the face. Oh my. Oh my god. Beavis is dead. I don't understand how they both just haven't just fell and died. Like, this is stomped right into the. Oh my god, this has been so brutal. Both men just letting out everything they possibly have.
You want a water, beep?
Where'd he go? Where?
Gonna play mind games. Alright.
Where did he go? I guess this is exactly what MoJo did to Beavis, so he's doing the same thing that he did to him.
Fine. It's time.
Is he going?
To end the Grants.
Oh.
Did you hear something?
I don't. Did you hear Beavis yet? Wait! Oh, there he is. Beavis out of nowhere with his cane. Oh my. The injured
Oh, yeah.
leg and foot of MoJo.
Oh, yeah.